Hi, today is 24th March. We're at 7:17 now in the morning. So I'm just planning to show you some trades that have come up in our paid trading system, that is Neutree. So here we have the icons. So I've already added the groups. You don't have to do it again. So we have this banking group around 22 scripts. Now, so I'll just go into the watch list. So you just click on the watch list button, you'll get the watch list. Here the trades, you can see the current running trades which are in red and green. So these are some of the trades that are running currently. And the white background are the trades, particular trades which are yet to come. So we'll wait for them. So idea is very simple. You can, I'll just give you an overview of how you can get calls also. Here you can alphabetically select the symbols, or else you can select the ascending and descending order of the z-score. This is the z-score, the plus or minus. So this is what actually tells us when to enter into a trade and when to exit from a trade. So z-score 2.7 and above, the call gets initiated and you'll get this green and red. And z-score of 1 will tell you the exit point. So once the z-score comes to 1, you'll have to exit that particular trade. So here in this case, HCL Tech and TCS, I think this is a wrong trade because HCL Tech recently split. There was a split in this share price. So we'll ignore this too. The same thing with calls where Tech Mahindra have also generated. So this will be under lock. So otherwise you can choose it this way also. You can just click on the trade status. You'll get the present running trades. In terms of correlation, correlation is very important. So you click on correlation and you choose any trades above 70%. Above 70%, you can pick those trades. So your first criteria should be that your correlation should be 70 plus and above. And the next thing is your winning trades, and we have added the RSI and volatility also. So let me just come back to my trades, what I have. So I have chosen these trades and then I have put it. And there are 3 calls which got which we had exited yesterday. So around 15 or 4 running trades, 3 are out. So let's just check the profits of this. So your correlation is 83% for Ashok Leyland and EM. So we'll just click on this. So here, you'll have to just click on this particular left side tab and click end. So we'll come to the end of the page. So this particular call got initiated on March 3rd. We short Ashok Leyland and we bought EM. The z-score you can see is 3.02. So whenever you have a z-score of 3.02, the strategy is very simple. You enter 2 lots. That is 2 lots of Ashok Leyland you short, 2 lots of EM you buy, and you check the z-score is 3.0, which is when the call got initiated. 86% is your correlation. That's a good correlation. We are looking at correlation more than 70%, 86% here. So as soon as the z-score falls to, the next day the z-score fell to around 2.2. So that means your Leyland 74 came down to 72, we shorted. 15,740 became 1600. So your z-score became 0.2 and your correlation is 86, remains the same almost. So you have made a profit of 18,985 on the first day. Now that is a very good profit. Now what is my investment? I'll tell you how many shares to buy, how many lots to buy. I'll come back to that. So what you can do is here you exit one particular lot. So you exit one lot, you are making roughly around 18,000 rupees, and his z-score is 2.2. So when you have 3, it comes to 2, it will rapidly fall and then give you a very good return also. Now you hold back the other lot what you have and wait till the z-score comes to 1. So we can see that March 3rd, so roughly around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So in 13 days. So you have the next lot which you can exit. So this particular lot, this particular trade came to a close on yesterday, that is March 23rd. The z-score fell to around 1. So your call has closed here. So what is the profit that you are making here? That's around 33,000 rupees on the second lot. So it's very simple. On one lot you have made 18,000 rupees on the first day itself. Second day, after the day you entered the trade. So this is 18,000 is 33,000. So that is your profit. So let me just get my calculator. So that's roughly around 1,000 rupees is your profit in a time span of around 13 days. So 13 days you have made around 50,000 rupees. Now what is my investment? How do you enter into a trade? How do you buy and sell? Let me just give you an example of Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors call that is running now. Here you can see that we have short Ashok Leyland again and we have bought Tata Motors. That's DVR. So here the correlation is less, 66%. Now in case if you want to take a chance, you can take a chance. Otherwise, don't get into this kind of trades. Now here what you are investing is one lot of Ashok Leyland. That is, you will short one lot of Ashok Leyland and you will buy one lot of Tata Motors plus 744 shares in the cash market. The idea is very simple. Now let me just go to so I'll just show you what will be your investment here. Now just go to Ashok Leyland. I'll just click this. We'll see the entry point for Ashok Leyland. What is the entry point and Tata Motors? So just click. So on March 10th we have got this call running. It started on March 10th. So 75 rupees, 75.25 into 8,000 is the lot size. Into just a second. 75.25. So that's around 6 lakhs 2,000 is the value of Ashok Leyland. So you'll have to approximately buy the same value Tata Motors also. So Tata Motor DVR, I think the lot size is 1,000. So what you lose, you buy three, 4, 5 into 1,000. Sorry. So that's around roughly 3,45,000. Plus what you'll have to do is you are buying some 744 shares in the cash market. For that to be equal to your 6 lakhs. So 744 into 345. So that's around 2.5 lakhs plus 3,45,000. So that comes to around roughly 6 lakhs and odd, and 6 lakhs and odd investment on your Ashok Leyland. So your the total price of one script should match the price of the other script. That is the idea here. So what we are doing here is we have bought one lot of we have short one lot of Ashok Leyland and futures, and we have bought one lot of Tata Motor DVR in future. We had a shortfall, so again we bought 744 shares of Tata Motor DVR in the spot market. So it's around 6 lakhs on this side, 6 lakhs here, and 6 lakhs on that side. So that's roughly around 12 lakhs your total investment. 12 lakhs is a turnover what I am talking about. Now in case if you have a good broker who gives you enough margins, that can be 10 times or 15 times also, 10 or 15 times. So now let's just check the complete thing. So this call got generated on 10th. The z-score is 2.7. So 2.7 and above, the call gets generated automatically. Now the first days we had this loss, it went to 2.78. So it was minus 6,000 rupees. And the subsequent days you can just see that. So always entering 2.7 came down to around 1.7 here. That gave you around 18,000 rupees profit. So the idea is very simple. You enter in two lots. Lot you try to book one profit when almost this 2.7 falls down by 1% at least, and then hold the second trade. Now you can hold the second trade. You can see that yesterday it closed at 1.83. So you have booked on profit here 18,000, and then there is still a profit of 10,000 rupees which is still there. So what you'll do is you'll wait for this particular figure of 1.83 to come down to 1. And then you can continue that particular trade. So this trade is not complete still, it's still running. So this is about Ashok Leyland and Tata Motor DVR. I'll get you another Ashok Leyland and TVS Motors. Again you can see that here the correlation is 68%. Now there are the idea is first your correlation should be more than 70. So it's almost near to 70. So what I'll do is I'll check the percentage winning trades in this Ashok Leyland. So here again you'll buy one lot, you'll short one lot. So here I am seeing that the winning percentage is 61. Actually this should be 70%. But in case if you are a high risk trader, you can take the risk, then obviously there is a factor of profit and loss also. Now what is my investment here? Let me just come back to this. So Ashok Leyland you will short one lot, right? Sorry, one lot here, and TVS Motor you will buy one lot plus 1154 shares in the spot market, cash market. So you can calculate that. Let me come back to that trade. So we have this back-tested data for 10 years, so you don't have to worry about the calls. So this particular call got generated on March 2nd. So 73 we have short Ashok Leyland, not, and we have bought TVS Motor one lot plus 1400 shares in the spot market, so that both are equal in terms of the investment. So your z-score started at 3.1 and the next day it fell to 2.7. That's roughly around 1 point down. So your profit comes to 25,000 on the first day. On the second day it's almost 2, that is 1.99. So you exit one trade here. Once this 3 becomes 2, you exit one trade. That's a very good profit, 32,000 rupees on one lot. So you still have one more lot left. So you can see the trade still running. So yesterday it was 1.59 was the Z score, and you still have a profit of 20,000 on the second lot. So you have already booked one profit of around 32,000 here, or 30,000, or it could have been more than that also. We are not, we have calculated the end of the day data. But in case if you are following the prices right from morning, this could have been a much bigger figure also. So you will have to just keep checking your MTMs once you place that. So once you are satisfied with some amount of your target profit, you exit one trade, and the next lot just carry on till this Z score comes to 1. So this particular trade is still running. So we'll wait and see. Once it closes around 1, you can exit the trade. So this is Ashok Leyland and TVS Motors trade. So roughly, if you ask me, around 50,000 is a profit even now also. If you just trade once the market opens. Now this the percentage of correlation is less here. I'll tell you, Tech Mahindra, and the figure what you're seeing here, it's not calculated properly. So I will just show you Tech Mahindra and Hexaware. It's actually showing 4 lakh rupees loss, but that's not the case because Tech Mahindra recently had a split. So I'll just show you this. So February 12th was the end. Hexaware short and Tech Mahindra buy. And now you can just see we had this trade running 2.83. So you had it split on 19th. So we can see that 2,800 became 687. So that's the reason why it's giving you this minus figure. And its Z score has shot up to 5.76. So that's one of the reasons that particular trade is shown like that, in that way. You can see that you won't be entering this trade when your correlation is 6%. So that's out of question. So we won't be taking the trade. And there are other 2 trades which have closed yesterday. That is Jindal Steel, JSW, Tata Steel and JSW. I'll just show you Tata Steel, JSW, because it's a juicy trade because correlation is 95%. So I'll just click on this. So February 18th, this call got triggered. That is Tata Steel. Sorry, Tata Steel you have bought it. The Tata Steel is a buy, and you are short JSW. Your Z score is 3, and again it 2.2 and 1.8. That's roughly one point down. So your profit is 11,000 rupees. You check out in one lot, and then you continue the trade till it comes to 1. So less profit, but this is a very good trade because your winning trade is 75%. So out of 16 trades, 75 trades were winning trades, and you know that the correlation is also around 90+%. So less profit, but definitely a profitable trade here. So that is about JSW and Tata Steel. Let me just show you another Jindal Steel and JSW Steel. The correlation is 32% only here. Let's just check what profit in that trade. So this trade also got initiated on Feb 19. So 3.31 was Z score. So Jindal Steel you have shorted, JSW you have bought it. So you can just see once this 3.31 came down to around 2 here, your profit is 28,000 rupees. That is the Z score. Now you exit one here, then carry on with the other. It will show you losses, but you'll have to wait till it comes to one odd percent. So it closed yesterday at 0.6. You know that Jindal Steel we have shorted here. It gave you on first call itself Jindal Steel short. Yesterday Jindal Steel was a gap down open of around 6%. It fell by 6%. So that is the reason why you are seeing this kind of massive profits. So day before yesterday it was only 19,000 rupees. Z score was 1.1. Suddenly it fell to 0.68. The profit is around 41,000 rupees now on the other lot. So there ends your trade on March 23rd. Now 40,000 here and another 28,000 here. 60-70,000 rupees on one particular trade is your complete profit. So that's how it works. So you check the winning trades also. In case if you have if your percentage of winning trades are more and your correlation is somewhere near 70, you can pick up that calls. And you know Jindal Steel and JSW Steel, same category of same group. So you can take some risks like this and then you can even trade this way also. So that is trades that are closed. Let's check EM and Hero MotoCorp currently running trade. So we had this trade at 17,000, you short EM, and Hero MotoCorp you buy at 2,667. Your Z score is perfect 2.79, and then you can just see 1.99. You have 21,000. It has kept on, it's sort of gone in a right, like 1.75, 1.55, and then again 1.65. So finally the trade ended at 24,000 rupees profit. So one idea is you'll have to enter, when you enter the Z score with 2.7, you try to come to half of it and then exit one trade, or at least 1 point, 2.7, 1.7, 2.7, 1.7. For making this, you book one profit here, and then the next profit you wait till it comes down to 1. It has already done 1. That is sorry, it's still running. This particular trade is still running, so it should either close today or tomorrow sometime. So once it comes to 1, this will slightly go up, maybe around 30,000 or 35,000. We don't know. It can happen today. This might exit today. So these are some of the trades. We have around 15 trades. 15 minus around 12 trades which are running. So other than the 2 trades, we still have some more trades where your correlation is less or winning trades are less. But overall, if you want to take the risk and then do it, you can do it. So these are the currently running trades that are available. So, but if you just ask me how many trades you can expect, around 300 odd pairs. So roughly around 244 pairs or 300 pairs are actually there. These are some of the trades which yet to get. So we can expect any time once the Z score comes to around 2.7 and above, we'll get the trades. So that's quite good. Then Tech Mahindra offers us 5.28. The reason is because there was a split in Tech Mahindra. You can see that the first three trades, that is Tech Mahindra, HCL, these are not right trades, because the correlation is first thing, and then they were split. They had a split last week, so that's one of the reason why we are getting those trades. So Cipla and Lupin is currently running trade. 82% is correlation. So you can see this particular trade generated on 13th, z-score of 2.74. So 8,000, so roughly around 1.67, that is 1 point down, around 11,000 rupees profit. And then it became negative. Now at 38,000 loss, but you have already booked on profit. And if you just see the z-score 2.31, it's still trading. This figure has to come down to 1. So once this figure comes down to 1, this negative profit what you are seeing here, negative that is what you are seeing, will turn into a profit. But there is still trade on this particular Lupin and Cipla. You see the winning percentage here is 94%. So out of 18 trades, you can say you might have lost one trade, but otherwise all were successful trades. So we can just wait on this till we get the z-score of 1. So this is these are some of the things that what we have right now. We'll just check in the evening about other calls also. And I think we have calls in Crompton Greaves and Havels. This got generated yesterday, Crompton Greaves and Havels. So I'll just show you that. So you can see that Crompton Greaves is a buy and Havels is, you'll have to short Havels. So but winning percentage is 88%. We'll have to check on the correlation. So the correlation is 46%. I don't want to take a chance on this. But if you just see the winning trades, it's 80+%. And the other one what we had was Crompton Greaves and sorry, it was DHEL and I'll get you that trade. Yeah, this one. Sorry. Godrej and DHEL. You have to short Godrej here. One lot you short, you will buy. So this is how the call got generated yesterday. 334.4 Godrej you should short it, and DHEL you will have to buy. So your z-score is 2.94. So as soon as the market opens, let me just check what will be its profits. So the percentage of winning trades is 66%, but your correlation is a bit weak on this particular trade. So we'll just see how this trades will perform. These two trades which got generated yesterday, we'll just check how they perform once the market opens. So that's about pair trading. The calls what we have, and the current running calls and the new calls. So I think if you have if you got the idea of how to trade. So it's very simple. One lot of Tata Motors you short, and then Bajaj Auto you buy one lot plus one scrip in spot. So 125 here, 500 here. So 500 into 552. So you can just calculate that. I will show you again. So 552 into 500. So 2,76,000. And Bajaj Auto is 2030 into 25. So that's roughly near to that. You don't have to be exactly equal. Somewhere near that is also fine. So you invest this same amount in Bajaj Auto and Tata Motors, and then you enter the trade. So that is how this particular one lot and 1.1 lot plus your spot market shares, that is you buy in the cash market, that is how you calculate it. So let's just check what will be the positions after the market opens, and then we'll again post the video with the latest profit and loss percentages. Thank you.